Coming to you today at 319 Brewington Drive in Salisbury, Maryland, we're giving you a showcase quick tour at the open house of this gorgeous property that is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, 1 half bathroom, bi-level home that sits on a gorgeous lot with panoramic backyard waterfront views. As you can tell as we're walking around, this home has been completely remodeled and fully upgraded. They spared no lack of attention to detail, as just here in the formal dining room, you'll notice behind me those gorgeous, beautiful built-in bookshelves, granite countertops on those, and recessed detail, accent lightings with a dimmer switch. So each room was meticulously updated and it is absolutely gorgeous. With the bi-level, you come in and you have 3 bedrooms upstairs, including your primary suite, an additional hallway full bath that was renovated, surprise, surprise. And then the gourmet kitchen behind me here, where they added this big extended island, plus a coffee nook, as well as added a gas range, so you have a permanent gas line for your range, and they added a permanent gas line outside for your grill. This home is all about the backyard, which you'll see in a minute here. So if you're someone that loves to be outside or wants to relax all day long, this property is definitely gonna need to go on your must-see list. Here in the lower level, we have a wood-burning fireplace, a big open family room, beautiful natural light and views. Plus we have this bonus space here. This could be a potential 4th bedroom, craft room, den, and we have a half bath just across the hall, which makes it super convenient for entertaining, guest partying. We have a dry bar with a mini fridge and shelving with matching backsplash to the kitchen, which is perfect. Stepping into all this natural light, we've got French doors that lead to an extended concrete patio plus an extended wooden deck, so we have more than ample seating. We've got patio seating, we've got deck seating, we've got a hot tub that stays with the property that's only about 2 years old. We've got beautiful landscaping and mulch beds. We've got a built-in fire pit. We've got an outdoor regular shed, and we have a giant French door shed that is attached to your driveway with wooden floors, its own electric and lean-to. And then the best part of all is this is on Johnson Pond, so we have nice waterfront views behind you here. Johnson's Pond is deep enough to have a trolley boat if you're someone who loves to fish, or kayak, a small electric motor, but definitely, or small gas motor as well. But definitely we've had the fish go by. I've seen turtles sunbathing on the logs, and we've got plenty of geese. Again, perfect for a nature lover or someone who just likes to be outside to kick back and relax. Besides the sheds, I did want to mention there's also a 2-car garage, which you can't see in the video here, but is attached to the property. There's just so much to see, and I don't want you to miss out on 319 Brewington Drive right here in Salisbury, Maryland.